Hello everyone, welcome to Mighty's Positive Living. It's a unit of Nest Care Tech Sub Private Limited, and I'm the Managing Director Manoj Mighty. Let me tell you something about our startup, the concept behind the startup, and the operation as of now, and our forthcoming plan. See, I guess you all are aware that India is aging really very fast. Means if you consider the age bracket of 60 plus, means the senior citizen, it is growing at a rate of 326%. It says that by the year 2050 India's senior citizen population will be approximately 34 crore. That means it will be more than the cumulative population of the USA. Now again, out of this, one very alarming fact is that 43% of these senior people are staying alone because of various reasons. Means their children are going out of the town, maybe for their job. Some are going abroad. Some are maybe due to some societal reason they are staying alone. So there could be several reasons that 43% of senior citizens either staying alone or staying with their spouse. Now at this age, so you can obviously expect there could be several physical and mental ailments since they are staying alone. So varieties of mental ailments you can find that anxiety, depression, right? So all these things are there. And as a chronic disease, you can expect at least two chronic diseases like your arthritis, diabetes, cancer, heart disease. There could be various. Now combining all these things, so we find that there is a mobility restriction of this particular age bracket people. So now the question being, since they are also staying alone, they are having some mobility restriction. Now what will they do for their daily livelihood? So this is a big question and it's a big problem. Now if you consider, is there any organization, is there any company, is there any NGOs who are taking care of this thing? It's no. Because instead of these several problems, what we really found in terms of in lockdown days, in the COVID period days, that the people are actually suffering a lot, senior people, those who are basically staying out. So now we came up with a solution, like since there is no one to provide services to these lonely people, why not us doing something for them? So that was the entire concept of this venture. So then we thought we will be providing services to this particular segment of people, right? So starting from their daily livelihood to their medical emergencies to their spirituality, maybe to pursue their hobbies and everything. So we will be a kind of one point solution for all the senior citizens who are staying alone. That was the entire concept. Okay. So now this was the problem area. Now how to solve it, how to reach out to them to address this issue, right? So we have developed one mobile application by the brand name Mighty's Positive Life. So it is a Android mobile application. Now so this is one platform where senior citizens can easily download it, and we kept the mobile application very simple. Like you just go there, put your requirement. If it is okay to write anything, just write it, that you need a kg of rice, maybe sugar 1 kg, half kg, whatever you need, you just write it over there, right? If you need a AC to be repaired or AC to be serviced at your place, then just put or write AC servicing. So that will do. It will automatically come to us, and our relationship manager are there. So the relationship manager will get back to the person, and it will be, the service will be routed through our care volunteer who are there in constant touch with the senior people, right? So now it is only a kind of 47% people who are having a mobile app, a smartphone. majority of the people, if you talk about 53% of the senior citizens, they are not having any kind of smartphone. So application download and everything cannot be happened for these people. So we did one thing, like we introduced our cloud telephony. So at a time, thousand calls can be taken. So our all India or national helpline number is there, 9007833933. Anyone can call up this number and place their order, right? Once we get the order, then it is the responsibility of our relationship manager to get in touch with the senior citizen. They will clarify about every details of that order, and then it will be sent to the care volunteer who is in directly in touch with these people. So next process after the relationship manager to care volunteer will be taking up the issue, and they will finally provide the services with the help of maybe the service provider if required, or they will directly provide the services if it is a kind of deliverable items like your medicine, your groceries, your vegetables, fish, meat, all these things. For other services, the process is same. Like if you, I'm giving one example, like if you need a cab services, you just call up the number that you need a cab. So our relationship manager, then our care volunteer will do the needful. No worry for that. Okay, so this is the entire concept. So as of now we are operational in Kolkata, now slightly spreading out to uh, Siliguri, then enter West Bengal, and then we have a plan to go to Jharkhand, then Odisha, and then other metro cities as per the report and plan, strategic planning of this organization. It's so far the journey is 1.5 month, and we have seen a very significant change in downloading mobile applications. So it is growing very fast. We have already touched 1,000 figure, and more than 500 people are taking already taken services, and they are highly satisfied with the kind of services, and they are just amazed to know that there is only one platform, Maiti's platform, where you just if you can call up, or you just have to download the app. By one of these ways, you will get your entire solution. So this is how we have we have integrated all the services. Innovation part in innovative services has been planned, and people are so happy that even the children who are staying abroad, they are also saying that this is a very beautiful concept and innovative concept to keep our parents happy when they are back in town. Okay, so this is how it is running as of now. We'll be slowly moving out to different cities, different metro cities as well, as per our planning, and I'm sure Might is going to be a big name in coming days for the senior citizens, also the children of senior citizens who are not staying here, who are staying outside of their parents. Thank you.